We survived the storm! We survived the storm! But look what it did. Watch, this is ice on top of here. Check that out. Whoa, see? Look how thick it is. And then this piece, look at this piece. All ice on top of the snow. Well, I'm gonna try to clear off the top of it. Is that nuts? What do you think, Murph? Murphy, do you think it's nuts? Yeah. He can walk on the snow. See, that's my friend Karen. She's jumping on the solid street. Because the street is solid. Look what I have to look. When you walk, you crunch. Can you see my cool boots? See, watch this. Here, I'll try to back up my film. Okay. Is that nuts or what? And then this is the road. Crazy. Oh, maybe because it's so bad.
But he had to go down the street. So.
And that's all a bit residential. What do you think, Murph? See, Murph's able to walk on top of the snow, but I leave abominable snowman prints with my boots. I don't know if you can see. Anyways, hi Murph. You want a good dog treat?